the Shane Justin clothing line. So, you know, I've been seeing it everywhere, and I was a little bit skeptical about buying it because, you know, I feel like the Instagram boutiques lie a little bit. But I was like, let me give Shane Justin a try. So I'm gonna unpackage it first time. I'm gonna try on the outfits for you and see if they fit, you know, normal body and not an Instagram model body. So I ordered a couple items. They came in this cute box. Okay. I think the bag and the shoes come in the boxes like this. So. Okay. So this is the bag. So when I picked the bag, I was like, I want something that's gonna be, you know, cute, but not too small where I can't fit anything in it. So it comes in this cute drop sheet. Comes in this cute bag, like such. Let's see. Alright, so don't mind me if I'm looking down, just making sure that you can see what it is. So yeah. Cute. Let's see if it'll fit. And don't worry y'all, I'm gonna try on everything so y'all can see. Obviously, you put a title with your outfits, but oh, you come with a chain. Alright, that's cute. So we're gonna keep this bag. This bag is definitely cute. I don't know for real once I like wear it out and about, but big. Let's take a look at the shoes because this is the shoe box. I know I got big feet. I know I wouldn't order no. So these is cute. When I got these, I was like, because I have a clear pair of shoes, but they have studs on them, so they're a little like dramatic. So I got these for like more subtle nights. Like you can wear this shoe, but not everything. But I feel like you can wear jeans and you can wear a dress. So I felt like this was a very versatile shoe, and I like the shoe. I mean, it looks good. It looks maybe like a Steve Madden, you know. So Shane, send me my right size. I emailed you. Email me back. Okay, so I need to wear these to a shoot or something. You know what I mean? All right, so we're gonna put these back in the box. All right. So now the part that I've been waiting for. Okay. Let's get to the glasses. This box is so cute. These are the bougie. Wow. They come in this cute packaging. Like such. Alright, Shane. Show me what you got. Oh, child. You know you gotta watch the wig when you put on your glasses. Okay. These is cute. Cause in the summer, like I like to wear shades, but not really. But I feel like these are real bougie cute. We're gonna need these. Alright, Shane. Pull up like. After you like. Don't leave your girl around me. Nah, these are cute. Alright, Shane. I like these. I see that the only thing with these though is you get a lot of fingerprints. So just be, you know, make sure you keep it in the pouch. Oh, it came with a cloth. So have your cloth in your bag. Glasses. Oh, see, I needed options. So I got this. This is a one piece. I feel like yellow is gonna be the color of summer. So, okay, it feels a little thick. And I got everything in the size medium because I feel like the medium fits me good. So, oh, I got the one with the hands. I didn't even know. Oh yeah, we want to try this one. We want to try this one. That's one. I got it for 2 piece. Don't worry, I'm model these for y'all. I want to know how to fit good. All right, yeah, this is a little raw piece. Let's see. It's like a stretch denim. These are like some shorts, so like summer, cookout, girl night out. It's a little versatile. That's why I got the denim one. Oh, this is cute. Ooh, honey. Tight around the booty. Loose for the jewel. Ooh, okay. All right, Shane. And let's see. But the material feels good. Like, you know when you get Fashion Nova, you be like, Fashion Nova. This don't feel like Fashion Nova. Let me try one of these on. I'll be back. All right, let me say this, I can't breathe, but it does, I don't know if you can really see, it sucks you in. Like, I got a size medium. Maybe I should have got a large, but it said I already had on a medium, so I was like, let me get the medium because she's bigger than me, but like, maybe I gotta stretch it out because it's tight. Like, look at my arms. You know, you see? But I do like the material. How it feels. It feels like skinny mini. Skinny mini. Skinny mini. Okay. Yeah, so the one piece, I think it's a one piece. I can't even breathe. The one piece, it does fit my hands really good. I just think maybe I have to stretch into it. I stretched to get in it and it didn't rip or tear or snare. So it may be a really good stretch material. That's this one. All right, so this is the 2 piece. I'm about here. I would wear this with like a jacket, like a little sweater, a little tammy or something like that, just because it has a lot exposed. So it does squeeze really tight. So that's the, but it does fit a little bit looser than the other one. All right, out of everything, I thought this was gonna fit a little bit bigger. So you can kind of see. So yeah, this fits pretty good. Definitely, as far as comfortability goes. Alright guys, so there you have it. Those were some different items, from sweat pieces. I'm glad I didn't get a dress because I was going to order a dress, but I really like my dresses to fit me long. Just because when I walk, it gives it room to rise. The only difference is it hugs me a little bit tighter. Like Fashion Nova fits me this way, but Fashion Nova doesn't hug me. This is like very hugging. So I do believe that maybe if I would have got a size large, it would fit better. So maybe it wasn't really clear. So maybe if Justin could just, you know, say what size Ari wears, because as far as I know, she got to be a large or extra large in those pants because I'm wearing a medium and maybe I need to stretch it out a little bit, I'm not sure. But as far as like first fit, it's a little, it feels a little small. You know, like I like cute little bags that not everybody has. So I don't think everybody has that, and that's a different style. It's black, you can wear it with everything. He had different shades there. But the shoes, you definitely need, if I would have got my size, they would have fit because I got a size 40 and my foot was hanging over the back a little. So I would say I would definitely go a size up. But overall, great clothes, adjusting, great. But I would just definitely say it's like fashion over fitting wise, meaning go a size up, because the mediums that I got, I know I wear a medium, and I'm, you know, I'm pretty average size, and it's a little tight. Like even in the sweater part, you know, it's just a little, I just need a little. Get a size large. If you're about my size, get a size large. If you're bigger than me, get an extra large. And if you're bigger than me, get an extra large. And if you're really tiny, you'll be fine with a small. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed my tutorial. Let me know what other boutiques you would want me to try out. I'm feeling really, you know, generous. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.